And Leah, you came into the program through the FTN program introduction, and you've been working on the human side for some years, but I guess wanted to make a change because people were just like, yeah, I don't want to do all that. So tell us a little bit about what drove you into to get started and what your experience has been.
Nutritionist for almost a decade now. I've lost so many dogs to cancer. It was in August. I've just got to do something. So I was giving them some dehydrated food and cooking too. I've made that switch, but I was just like, what is causing all my dogs to get cancer? I'm a toxic-free home, and now I feed them better. But to find out, the hormones have a lot to play with it, which I never even thought about that. So learning about the hormone part of the endocrine system with dogs, all my past training now I apply to my dogs. And it's amazing. It's like, I even have colleagues that are calling me and saying, what should I do? I hear you took this program. And I'm like, well, just use your knowledge and what you've learned and apply it to your dogs. And so I've worked with them, and their dog had continuous diarrhea, and they were feeding the poor dog something the vet recommended. And I said, just start cooking for it. And didn't really have to work much with these people because they were so open and so quickly. And a week, the dog stopped itching, wasn't having diarrhea. And we're good. This is so great to learn all this stuff. It's just a great program. It's just nice to help educate people and how their dog body works and how we're so similar. And I want to point out that it's virtual, so you don't have to travel. So in the comfort of your own home, you do the work. Dr. Roberts, she'll work with you. I'm not comfortable videoing myself, and you have to do that in the course for some assignments, and it got me comfortable. So it got me through that little hump. I've been a virtual practitioner for a decade before COVID, so that part, but not videotaping myself. I'm not a big social media person, and she walks you for creating your business. There's support afterwards, and it's just ongoing. That's one of the big things that I just love about Dr. Roberts and this whole program.